Have you ever needed to send a text message out to somebody, but you don't have any service, or your phone's dead? Well, if you're an amateur radio operator and you have a compatible radio, you can actually text a message over to an iPhone straight from your radio. All you need to do is use APRS, or Automatic Packet Reporting System. You type in the phone number that you want to text with the message over to SMS Gate. That message will then go to a digipeater. That digipeater will then relay it over to the phone, and then that person can reply back to you and you'll receive the message. All of this happens within seconds. If you want to learn more about APRS or ham radio communications, or just emergency communications overall, consider subscribing to my channel.